Oh no, they do this thing now. Huh?
Handshake. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's see.
Thank you. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir.
Next time,
Yes. Thank you.
come back to.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
Michelle, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
We've seen the meeting between the presidents, Nigerian president, and that of Madagascar. What do you want to tell us about this?
Well, this is a very, very important meeting, and this meeting is essentially to strengthen the collaboration between the two nations, the bilateral collaborations in different sectors. Essentially, the Madagascan president was interested in the area of hydrocarbons exploration, energy partnerships, and so forth with Nigerian companies. The president wants to expand cooperation between countries within the African continent, and he did make the point that by its geographical location, Nigeria and Madagascar are joined at the hip. For this reason, the president made it absolutely clear that he was quite willing to expand these partnerships. He also sympathized with the people of Madagascar over this hurricane that recently took place there, and also pledged to assist the country in its development crisis, and has invited strategic partnerships between companies in Nigeria and companies in Madagascar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.